Lesson 133. Further uses of the verb wish. When do we use the verb wish followed by the word would?
We use the verb wish followed by the word would when we are unhappy or irritated about something that is happening and we want the situation to change.
Give me some examples, please.
I wish they would hurry up and finish the job. I wish my dad would send me some money.
When do we use the verb wish followed by the infinitive with to?
We use the verb wish followed by the infinitive with to in formal written English.
And what does it mean?
It means want or would like.
Give me an example, please.
We wish to inform you that your payment has been received.
Give me an example of wish used to communicate the idea that we want something good to happen to somebody.
He wished me a happy birthday.
Hitchhike. Have you ever hitchhiked?
Yes, I've hitchhiked.
Would you recommend hitchhiking as a good way for visitors to travel around your country?
No, I wouldn't recommend hitchhiking as a good way for visitors to travel around my country.
Why not?
Because it can be very dangerous.
Dear. Do you think it's possible for two people to remain dear friends for life?
Yes, I think it's possible for two people to remain dear friends for life.
Of all your personal possessions, which is the most dear to you?
Of all my personal possessions, my photograph of my family is the most dear to me.
What's the dearest thing you're wearing?
My shoes are the dearest things I'm wearing.
Easy, ease. At ease, ill at ease. What do we mean by an easy life?
By an easy life, we mean a comfortable life free from stress.
Do you feel at ease in strange company, or do you feel ill at ease?
I feel ill at ease in strange company.
Are you able to do all the dictations in this book with ease?
Yes, I'm able to do all the dictations in this book with ease.
If you have a headache, what do you think is the best way to ease the pain?
If I have a headache, I think the best way to ease the pain is to take a walk in the fresh air.
To be obliged. Have you ever been obliged to appear in court for any reason?
Yes, I've been obliged to appear in court.
Steal, rob, robbery, thief, mask. What's the difference in grammar between the verbs steal and rob?
The difference in grammar between the verbs steal and rob is that we steal something from somebody or somewhere, whereas we rob somebody or somewhere of something.
Give me an example of each, please.
The thief stole the handbag from Mary. The thief robbed Mary of the handbag.
If a thief robbed you of something in the street and ran away, what would you do?
If a thief robbed me of something in the street and ran away, I'd run after him and try to catch him.
In real life, have you ever seen a robber running away from the scene of the crime?
Yes, in real life, I've seen a robber running away from the scene of the crime.
Do bank robbers sometimes hide their identity during robberies by wearing masks?
Yes, bank robbers sometimes hide their identity during robberies by wearing masks.
Handle, gentle. What's this?
It's the door handle.
What kind of objects must be handled very gently when we touch them?
The kind of objects that must be handled very gently when we touch them are things such as wine glasses, eggs, etc.
What do we mean by a person with a gentle nature?
By a person with a gentle nature, we mean someone who behaves in a calm and kind manner with other people.
What do we mean by a gentle wind?
By a gentle wind, we mean a wind that is not at all strong.
Do you know how to handle a gun?
Yes, I know how to handle a gun.
What's the best way to handle a horse?
The best way to handle a horse is gently, without moving quickly or suddenly.
Hand in hand, arm in arm, custom, girlfriend, boyfriend. What do we mean by walking hand in hand?
By walking hand in hand, we mean two people holding each other's hand as they walk.
Is it the custom in your country for people to walk arm in arm with their girlfriend or boyfriend?
Yes, it's the custom in my country for people to walk arm in arm with their girlfriend or boyfriend.
Enable, instruction, booklet. Does the ability to speak several languages enable a person to find a good job more easily?
Yes, the ability to speak several languages enables a person to find a good job more easily.
Why do they include instruction booklets with new products like televisions and microwaves?
They include instruction booklets with new products like televisions and microwaves to enable users to understand how they work and what they can do.
Tender, tough, lovingly. Which is it easier to eat, tender meat or tough meat?
Tender meat is easier to eat than tough meat.
Name a tough metal, please.
Steel is a tough metal.
In the sentence, the mother put her hand tenderly on her child's head. What does the word tenderly mean?
In the sentence, the mother put her hand tenderly on her child's head. The word tenderly means gently and lovingly.
Idiom 34. Can't make head or tail of it. Equals can't understand it at all. What does the idiom can't make head or tail of it mean?
The idiom can't make head or tail of it means can't understand it at all.
Give me an example, please.
These instructions that came with the machine are so complicated that I can't make head or tail of them.